Hello, builders and creators. Here to inspire and empower your next project. Explore our hand-picked selection of tools and unlock your full creative potential in the workshop. Let me introduce you to a handy tool, Craig Multi-Purpose Project Blocks. Their standout feature is their versatility, elevating your material 1.5 inches above the work surface, giving you endless possibilities. Whether sanding, finishing, or milling, these blocks provide stability with their Grip Max surface. One side firmly holds your workpiece, while the other prevents slipping on the table. This extra height is perfect for milling edges or using clamps underneath while drilling or assembling. For painting or finishing, simply rotate the block to extend the retractable stop for added height. Plus, the stops won't damage or stick to your material. Each set comes with 4 blocks and supports up to 200 pounds total. The Duax Angle Drill Table from Woodpeckers, designed to elevate your precision drilling. Unlike typical drill tables that limit you to vertical holes or fixed angles, the Duax allows for effortless adjustment and secure positioning at virtually any angle. Whether you're working on complex angled joints or non-standard drilling operations, this table offers unmatched control and accuracy. Made from high-quality materials, it guarantees exceptional strength and stability. The innovative design ensures easy adjustments, making it simple to align and secure your workpieces for flawless results every time. The Tough-Built Massive Mouth 16-inch Tool Bag, a powerhouse of durability and functionality designed for professionals who demand excellence. Constructed from high-quality PP, HDP plastic, and tough 1680D fabric, reinforced with steel fasteners and rivets, this tool bag is built to withstand the toughest conditions, outlasting traditional fabric bags by years. What sets this tool bag apart is its massive, wide mouth opening, offering unmatched access to all your tools and supplies. It's compatible with Tough-Built's patented clip system, allowing for seamless organization and efficiency. Inside, dividing walls and structured exterior pockets ensure your tools stay securely in place, while padded handles provide ultimate comfort for easy carrying. The Tough-Built Massive Mouth redefines how professionals store and transport their gear, making it an essential companion for any demanding job. The Armor Tool inline clamp offers distinct advantages designed to simplify your work and boost efficiency. Its automatic adjustment system allows it to securely fit into any standard 5/16" T-track, thanks to its durable steel adjustment rod. This ensures consistent pressure on materials up to 3.75 inches thick. The built-in adjustment screw lets you fine-tune the pressure for a secure and precise hold. With the T-bolt capable of rotating, you can easily position the clamp anywhere along the T-guide. The large, ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while the non-marking tip safely clamps corners and rounded materials. Built with robust materials, it can handle up to 700 pounds, making it a reliable addition to any workshop. The Meta-Driver is far from an ordinary screwdriver. It's a true engineering marvel that blends the classic features of hand drills with the modern convenience of ratchet screwdrivers. With its patented autopilot technology, there's no need for pre-drilling. It drives screws effortlessly. For larger tasks, the Meta-Driver delivers over 70 Nm of torque, double that of a standard electric drill. Compatible with all standard hex bits, it works with thousands of bits from leading brands. Its compact and ergonomic design reduces wrist strain and makes it easy to carry in your tool bag, backpack, or even your pocket. Let me introduce the Bosch PWB600 Home and Garden Workbench, a flexible solution for securely keeping your workpieces. Its clever folding mechanism permits you to set it up or shop it away in seconds, perfect for compact areas. The work surface, made from long-lasting water-repellent bamboo, is both green and built to last. The PWB600 offers astounding versatility, with a clamping intensity of 34 mm and a width of 85 mm, accommodating various configurations and dimensions. It includes 4 clamps to maintain even complicated pieces firmly. With a maximum load capability of 200 kilograms, it is designed for handling heavy obligation initiatives effortlessly. The Wolfcraft adapter for Connector Pro and Easy one-handed clamps is a smart tool that allows you to join two clamps to create an extended XXL clamp, offering up to 200 centimeters of clamping width. This is perfect for assembling large furniture or bonding bulky components. Simply insert the ends of the clamps into the adapter's designated slots for a seamless connection. Designed for compatibility with both the Pro and Easy series, it features a removable insert for easy switching between clamp types. This adapter is a cost-effective solution for handling larger tasks, making furniture assembly and installation projects effortless. The Bosch JS260 electric jigsaw, an effective device designed for precision and versatility. With its strong 6-amp motor, it supplies up to a few 100 strokes per minute for green cutting performance. One standout characteristic is the variable velocity manage, permitting you to set the most speed through a dial and regulate the running speed using the trigger. The device-free blade alternate gadget guarantees short and smooth blade swaps, while the multi-directional clamp offers a corporation preserve on T-shank blades. With 4 orbital settings, you can pick out between clean or aggressive cuts, and the built-in dust blower continues your cutting line clear for precision work. The set of 3 ClipTech hubs built with durable steel pivot pins to endure the harshest conditions. These hubs feature an innovative design that allows for easy customization, enabling you to attach, adjust, and swap pouches, holsters, and loops to suit any task. Whether connected to a ClipTech belt, pouch, or organizer, they offer flexibility and convenience. You can even mount them on walls or beams for efficient tool organization. Perfect for professionals, they keep tools easily accessible, whether on your belt, at the job site, in the garage, or in your van. A must-have for any construction setup. Spark plug clamps are essential for securely holding and installing spark plugs in engines, making them a must-have for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. Known for their durability, these clamps offer superior performance by ensuring precise torque application. The studded design creates a robust connection, and interchangeable heads allow for adjustments based on the required torque range. Whether for routine maintenance or complex repairs, spark plug clamps provide the reliability and strength needed to handle any automotive task with ease. Introducing the versatile Skill RT13230 router table and 10-amp fixed base router kit, an ideal choice for precise woodworking. This kit includes the Skill SRT1039 router table, designed with all the features you need for accurate and comfortable operations, including easy router height adjustment above the table, built-in storage, an aluminum miter slot, router clamp, starter pin, and dual pressure stops. The 16-inch tall by 24-inch wide aluminum fence simplifies working with taller pieces, complete with adjustable pressure stops, interchangeable MDF fence faces, and a starter pin. The powerful Skill RT13230 fixed base router boasts a 10-amp motor, providing smooth and precise milling throughout your project. It features soft start technology, variable speed control, and a handy tool operation indicator light for added safety and convenience. This kit gives you the precision of a stationary router table paired with the mobility of a handheld router, allowing you to begin your project on the table and seamlessly complete it with the hand router. Did you know that using dowels not only enhances the mechanical strength of joints, but also provides extra surface area for bonding? The most challenging aspect, though, is accurately aligning the dowel holes on the pieces you're joining. The one-time tool, Ultimate Doweling Jig, elevates dowel hole drilling with customizable hole spacing, precise step-by-step positioning stops, extensions, and an additional stop for drilling dowel holes in the middle of parts. With the ability to use up to 5 different dowel sizes, this tool makes joint creation easier and more precise, allowing you to select the perfect dowel size for maximum strength and reliability.